Hello, welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to resize your image without losing the image quality. So without wasting my time, let's dive right into it. And if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel for more tips like this. So let's jump right into it. So first, let me show you the image that I want to resize. This is the image that I want to resize. And the size is, this is the size, which is 5.45 megabytes. That's the size of the image, 5.5 megabytes. So I'm going to resize it without losing the quality. So I'll open my web browser and search image resizer. This is a site name, image resizer. So search it in the search bar, then hit enter. So we are going to use the first link, which is imageresizer.com. That's the official link. So we are going to use that one. So now this is the interface of the website. This is the interface of the site. So it's either we are going to drag and drop the image in here or we are going to locate it. So I'll just drag and drop it here. So this is the image. So I'll just drag and drop it. So let's wait for it to upload. So it is done uploading it. So here with this interface, you're not going to touch anything right here. We're going to leave most of the things as default with the resize settings, everything, width and everything. We're going to leave it as default. You're not going to touch anything. So you just click on resize image down below here for it to resize the image. So you can see processing. So let's wait for it to finish. Now it is done. This is the original size of the image. That's 5.54 megabytes, and this is the resized one. That's 1.9 megabytes. You can see right here, there's a huge difference here. You can see. So we just click on the download image here for it to be downloaded. So it's done downloading. So you can see these are the two images. These are the two images. So one is the original one and one is resized one. So this is the original one, which is 5.45 megabytes. That's the original one that we just resized. And this is a resized one, which is 1.91 megabytes. You can see, let me open them for you to see the difference. There's no difference in it. They are just the pixels and everything, resolution, everything is intact. So let me show you. This is the resized one. Take note. And let me open the original one too. And this is the original one. This is the resized one and this is the original one. You can see there's no difference in them. Everything is intact, resolution, everything is intact. But the difference is just the megabyte, the amount of MB. That's the only difference. Apart from that, resolution, everything is intact. You can't tell which is the original and which is the resized one. So guys, that's it for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. See you in the next video.